Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to share your screen in the Zoom app on your mobile device. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Zoom app on your mobile device and log in. Once you're logged in, you'll need to either start a new meeting or join an existing one. For this tutorial, let's tap on Zoom Meeting to get started. You'll need to wait a few seconds while the meeting room loads up and prepares your connection. Once the meeting interface appears, tap Start to begin your meeting. Again, give it a few seconds to fully load and establish the connection. This brief loading time ensures everything is properly configured before you begin sharing your screen. Now, to access the screen sharing controls, tap anywhere on your screen. This will bring up the Zoom controls at the bottom of your interface. These controls give you access to all the main features you'll need during your meeting, including the screen sharing option we're about to use. Look for the option labeled Start Share in your control panel. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry. Simply tap the three dotted lines icon, which opens up additional menu options, and then select Share from that menu. This gives you access to Zoom's screen sharing functionality, which is essential for presentations, demonstrations, or collaborating with your meeting participants. From the sharing options that appear, tap Screen. This tells Zoom that you want to share your mobile device's screen rather than photos or other content. Next, tap Zoom to proceed with the screen sharing setup. At this point, you'll need to grant Zoom permission to display over other apps. This is a necessary Android or iOS permission that allows Zoom to capture and broadcast your screen content. Turn on or toggle the switch labeled Allow Display over other apps. This permission is what enables Zoom to share everything happening on your screen with your meeting participants. After enabling this permission, go back by tapping the back button and then tap back again to return to the sharing options screen. You'll now see two different sharing modes available. You can either share a specific screen, which limits what participants see to certain apps or windows, or you can share your entire screen, which broadcasts everything happening on your device. For this example, tap Share Entire Screen. This option gives your meeting participants full visibility of everything on your mobile device, making it perfect for comprehensive demonstrations or tutorials. Finally, tap Share Screen to confirm and start broadcasting. And that's it. Your screen is now being shared with all the participants in your Zoom meeting, allowing them to see exactly what you're doing on your mobile device. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.